Hello everyone, this is Jess from the Estevan Public Library, and for today's A to Z World Food Series, we are making strawberry fool. This recipe originates from 15th century England, where they used custard and stewed fruits to make this dish. However, you can find it in many different countries today. This recipe has also changed over time, so the ingredients we'll be using are much simpler. For this recipe, you will need strawberries, whipping cream, lemon juice, a little bit of vanilla, and sugar. Let's get started. First, wash and thinly slice some fresh strawberries. You will need 2 cups of sliced strawberries. Set some aside for garnishing later. Once your strawberries are cut, sprinkle 1/4 cup of sugar over top of them and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix the 3 ingredients together and set the strawberries aside for 10 minutes. Measure out and place 2 cups of cold heavy whipping cream into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/4 cup of sugar to the whipping cream. For a less sweet dessert, leave out the sugar and vanilla. Using a stand or a hand mixer, mix your cream together at a medium-high speed until stiff peaks form. This usually takes between 3 and 5 minutes. When you're done mixing, set your whipped cream aside in the fridge. Our strawberries have been sitting for 10 minutes and they're ready to go. This next step is all about preference. Using a potato masher, like I am, or a blender or food processor, blend your strawberries together until you have a puree. You can make the puree smooth, or you can leave a few strawberry pieces in there, depending on how smooth you like your dessert to be. Once your strawberry puree is done, gently pour it into the whipped cream and fold the two together. Keep folding until all the whipped cream has turned pink and there are no white streaks left. Now that everything's mixed together, you can garnish it with some freshly cut strawberries and chill it in the fridge until you're ready to serve. This is a sweet, quick and easy dessert that you can make for your next summertime meal. Thank you all so much for joining me for this installment of A to Z World Food Series. This recipe only took 30 minutes to make and serves between 8 and 10 people. The written recipe can be found in the video description below. I hope you can all join us for our next A to Z World Food Series, but until then, enjoy!